back to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, you are welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I sauteed this delicious tilapia using two ingredients which really changed the game. Those two ingredients is the game changer. There you go. That rice vinegar and the thick balsamic did it. So as you can see, I have some fresh garlic, fresh onion. The onion, I like using the red onion. For spices, I love me some spicy food. So I have the red pepper flakes, paprika, black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper. It's up to you. You don't have to make yours spicy. You can leave the pepper out. Before I start, I cut it up a little bit to make sure that marinade soaks in. And also in this recipe, I use some butter and a little bit of olive oil just because the tilapia is on the dry side. Before you finish watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button, like button, and comment. So now let's get cooking. First, I'm going to heat up some oil and then put some garlic. Then add those onions, and I want them to be a little bit brown. I'm going to add a bit of butter. I want this tilapia to be nice and juicy. So after this, I'll be adding the tilapia, and we'll keep going. It's not gonna take long because cooking it will be cooking it like about 4 minutes on each side. After this, I'm gonna put a little bit of balsamic vinegar, pour it all over. That's a game changer right there. I like that sticky balsamic. Not just a regular balsamic, but a sticky balsamic. Yep. Now I use it in a lot of things, even in chicken. Same for mustard. I like using those. So at the end, actually, that's when I'll be putting in some rice vinegar and that dash of lemon. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe again after watching this video. Comment.